Now we're going to work with the formula bar and learn how to do basic functions in Microsoft Excel. You can use Microsoft Excel to add, subtract, multiply, and divide cells, no matter what values are entered into the cells. First is addition. Notice how cell A2 has the value 2 and A3 has the value 3. We want to add these two and put the sum into cell A4. To do so, make sure that cell A4 is active. Then click on the formula bar. We're going to enter in the function A2 plus A3 so that we add the values in A2 and A3. All functions start with an equal sign. This is the key directly to the left of the backspace bar. Then A2, and then the plus sign, and A3. The plus sign is also located to the left of the backspace bar. Simply hit Shift and then the key. After you have typed in the function, hit Enter on your keyboard to confirm. You'll notice that Microsoft Excel has inputted the sum of 5. This is 2 plus 3. When you click on the cell to make it active, you'll notice that the formula bar reads the equation that you just typed in, and yet the cell itself reads the sum. It's useful to use Excel in this way, adding the cells instead of the individual values, in case the values within the cells ever change. For example, if we were to change the value within cell A2 from 2 to 22, and then hit Enter, the value within A4 would change. Remember, this is because we're adding the cells and not the numbers themselves. So the sum within A4 changes from 5 to 25 because we changed the value within cell A2. Subtraction, multiplication, and division work in similar ways. Let's do a subtraction function. First, click on cell C4. We want to add cells C2 and C3. In the formula bar, type the equal sign, and then C2 minus C3. The subtraction sign is located 2 keys to the left of the backspace bar. Hit Enter on your keyboard to continue. The difference between 5 and 2, or C2 and C3, is 3. For multiplication, activate the cell in which you wish to have the product. In this case, it's E4. We want to multiply E2 and E3. In the formula bar, type the equal sign, E2 times E3. The symbol for multiplication is not an X. Instead, it's an asterisk. You can type an asterisk by hitting Shift and then the 8 key. Hit Enter to confirm, and Excel will find the product. 2 times 3 is 6. Now let's do division. We want to divide G2 by G3 and put the quotient in G4. Click G4 to make it active, and then in the formula bar, type the equation. Equals G2 divided by G3. To divide, use the / as the division symbol. Hit Enter on your keyboard to confirm. The quotient is 3, which is the answer when you divide 6 by 2.